Hello, in this tutorial we are going to find out skirting, but before that let me just explain you what is skirting. Now here is the definition. Skirting is a strip covering the lowest part of an interior wall. Its purpose is to cover the joint between the wall surface and the floor. And here you can see the pictorial slide of the skirting. This is the skirting on the wall, okay? And here we have just approx height of a skirting is 120 millimeter to 220 millimeter. But when we'll just calculate the skirting, we'll just take it as meter length. And the unit of skirting will be in meter length or in feet length. Okay, so let's go into the AutoCAD and see how to calculate this. Now I have just opened the AutoCAD and let's see how to calculate the skirting. We'll just start from this open area. So I'll just go here in Excel and I'll start from here as serial number 1, and then in description I'll just write here skirting in grid between 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and then 2. Now next I'll just add here open area. So we have just one number, then we need to add here a length. So skirting will be in meter length. You can see here in quantity in meter length. Okay, so what we have to do, we'll just calculate the parameter, and let me just start from here, PL enter, and I'll start from here. It will start from here and then here. Okay, here we can just draw rectangle over here as well. Okay, like this. Now let me just check the total parameter, and the total parameter over here is 9 meter. Okay, so I'll just write here 9 meter, 9. So this will be the total length. Now we have to just make a deductions, and the deductions we have over here is, you can see we have just D4. Okay, these two are D4. So we'll just deduct the width of these doors. In this case I'll just write here D4, and we have just two doors. Okay, -2. Then we need to find out the width or a length. Okay, so let me just check it. DAL. Okay, it is starting from here up till here, and it is 750 millimeter. It's mean that 0.75 meter. So I'll just write here 0.75. So this is the total deduction. We have two doors. Now we need to find out this area as well. Okay, this one. So it is in between grid number 2 and 3, and these are rooms. So again I'll go here and I'll start from here, copy, and I'll paste it over here like this, and in between grid number 2 and then 3. Next we need to add here rooms, and we have two rooms in same length 2. Next we need to find out the parameter of these rooms as well. So I'll just go with rectangle command. I'll start from here. Okay, like this, and it is up till here. Okay, like this. Now we need to find out the total parameter or length. So in this case we have just a parameter as 14.3 to 5 meter. Okay, 14.3 to 5. Next we need to make a deductions. Okay, so I'll just write here deductions. Then we need to add here what? These deductions. Okay, we have just D4 over here and here as well, and here D3 and D3. So we have to just make 4 deductions, 2 for D4 and 2 for what? D3. So I'll just go here, and we have just D4s as 2 over here. I'll just copy this one, I'll paste it over here. Okay, now we need to make here a deduction for D3, and these are also 2. Next we need to add here a length. So let me just check the deduction size, DL. Okay, like from here to here, and it is 900 millimeter. It's mean that 0.9 meter. Okay, 0.9. Now next we need to find out the next portion, and the next portion is in between grid number 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4, and we have TV lounge, store, and the kitchen. Now let me just go here in Excel, and I want to insert some of the rows. Okay, I'll start from here like this, and I'll go ahead and insert. So let me just drag this formula over here, and again I want to insert some rows. Okay, like this. Okay, now it is okay for me, and now again I'll just go here and I'll copy this one. Okay, and I'll just paste it over here, and I'll just write here 3 and 4. Okay, between grid number 3 and 4, and first we have what? TV lounge. So I just write here TV lounge, Okay, next we need to add here number as 1, and we need to find out the parameter with polyline command. I'll start from here. So it is so simple. Start from here up till here. Okay, then in this direction we have just this, and then this. Okay, this, and I'll just close this one. Okay, this is the parameter. We'll just use the skirting, and I'll select this one with list command. I'll just find out the total parameter or length. So it is 19.5 meter. Okay, 19.5 meter. And next we need to add here a deduction. Okay, deduction, and the deduction we have here is we have just d3 2, and then d3 4, and 1 d2. Okay, so we have just 1 2 3 4 and 5 deductions, d3 as 4 and d2 as 1. Okay, so I'll just go here, I'll just copy this d3 from here. Okay, and I'll paste it over here. d3 as 4 minus 4, and d2 you have to just add here d2 as well, d2 as 1 minus 1, and let me just add here a length or a width of the door. So the width of the door is, it is 1.2 meter. Okay, 1.2 meter. Now the next we have just store, and I just write here store, and I'll just go here in number 1. Okay, so let me just check the parameter of the store as well. I'll just start from here with rectangle command. Okay, like this, and up till here. Okay, next I just find out the parameter, and the parameter is 7.2 meter. So I'll just go here 7.2 meter. Next we need to add here a deductions, and let's see the deduction. We have just only one deduction as d3. So I'll just copy this one. Okay, like this deduction, and then just copy this one, paste it over here, and we have just d3 as 1. So I'll just add here -1. Now next we need to find out the kitchen as well. Kitchen, we have just only one in number, and we need to find out the total parameter for kitchen as well. And I'll start from here with rectangle command, and I'll start from here. Okay, up till here. Okay, let me just select this one with list command. I'll check the total parameter as 8.4 meter. Okay, I'll just write here 8.4. Next we need to add here deduction as well. Let's see the deduction here, and we have just only one deduction as d3. So let me just copy this one again. Okay, and then I'll paste it over here like this, and we need to find out the next portion, and the next portion is in between grid number 4 and 5. So I'll just go here, and I'll just copy this one. Okay, copy this one, paste it over here, and the portion is between grid number 4 and 5. Okay, 4 and 5. Now next we need to add here, for example, we have just drawing room over here. So I'll just write here drawing room, and before that let me just insert some of the rows from here. Okay, like this, I'll just insert, and I'll just insert more. Okay, now let me just drag this one up till here. Now drawing room, we have just only one room, and let me just find out the total parameter with rectangle command. I'll start from here. Okay, and up till here, and we need to find out the total parameter, and I'll select this one with list command. I'll just go in parameter, and the parameter we have here is 14.40 meter. So I'll just write here 14.4. Next we need to find out the deduction, and the deduction we have here is d3. Okay, this is only one deduction, d3, and I'll just go here in deduction. I'll copy this one, and I'll paste it over here, and we have only one deduction as d3. Now we have to just find out the next, and the next we have car porch. So I'll just go here, I'll just write here car porch, and next we need to add here a number, and we need to find out the total parameter for car porch as well with the polyline command. I'll start from here. Okay, up till here. Now in this direction, up till here. Okay, now here, okay, and now here. Okay, now the total parameter for the car porch is with this command, it is total of 24 meter. Okay, what, 24 meter, 24 meter. Now we need to find out the deduction as well, and let's see the deductions we have over here. And the deduction that we have is d3 1, and then d2, and we have just d1. Okay, this one. So let me just go here. I'll just copy this one, this deduction, copy, and I'll paste it over here. This is D3 and it is only one. Let me just check it. Yes, it is only one. Then we have just D2 over here, and before that let me just insert the rows. Okay, like this, and again insert the rows. Okay, and then what I will do, I'll just drag this formula over here like this. Now we have to just add D2 as well as in deduction. Okay, we have just only one door, and then let's see what is the size of D2. So we have just to find out D2 as well here. Let me just go here. Yes, this one. I'll just copy this one instead of checking it again, and I'll paste it over here, and this is the total deduction for D2. And now we have to just detect this D1 as well. Okay, so I'll just go here, D1. Okay, D1. Next we need to add deduction numbers, and then I'll select this one. I'll just go here and let me just find out this. Okay, the total size from here, we can just check the size from the schedule as well. It is 3 meter, and I'll just go here 3, and this is the total deduction here. Now the total skirting that we need over here is 93.75 meter, and this is a method to find out the skirting. Hope you understand this session. We'll see you in the next.